We should swallow this? You can swallow it?
Como se dice, como se dice, como se dice, como se dice.
Hello guys! So ngayon pupunta na po natin guys at ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga bungo na nakuha nung panahon na nangyari yung killing field guys. So makikita nyo guys dun yung mga bato, yung mga inukit guys na mga naranasan ng mga Khmer sa panahon na nangyari yung araw na yun guys. Sa kanilang kasaysayan, higit 40 years na ang lumilipas, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nila nakakalimutan ang nangyari ng mapapait sa kababayan nilang mga Khmer. Ito guys, yung nangyari sa Phnom Penh, kung saan nakita yung napakaraming puno guys.
But so when the Khmer they coming, but the Pagoda become the place with the torture. The torture, they made the prison also. After the prison, they made a torture in the old house here. After they made the torture, they take the people to prisoner to killing inside the hole over there. The hole. When the Khmer finished 1979, yes, they also they order people to clean the bone to put in the monument here. Okay. The true story. This symbol the Khmer soldier, the uniform like that. Yeah. But so the soldier Khmer to slit up the trouser like one, you know. The true story, you know. Because symbol about the soldier that struggle in forest, you know. Struggle forest, you know. Like this one. Not handsome, you know. Because no truck, no car, just walking with the ox cart, you know, ox cart to pick up. But so this is the real bond, you know, the real bond from the whole, the real bond. The real bond, yeah. In the evening, you can just see the bond more, you know. The same, you know. Who been in Phnom Penh before? Phnom Penh? Yes, been.
Go there.
Yeah, Phnom Penh, you know. Phnom Penh, the big prison, those like, you know. The cruelty groups, you know. The criminals, yes.
It was pretty bad.
Yeah, when the Khmer come in and change everything, yeah, change everything. The monks stay inside the pagoda, the monks to go outside. My family to go outside. Yeah. But so the soldier they coming in my native village. My native village, 5 kilometers from the city. Yes.
So yun guys, kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung mga nakaukit na yun guys, so may mga ibig sabihin yan guys, doon sa mga nangyari nung kapanahunan ng Cambodia guys. So mapapansin nyo guys, yung grabing pagpapahirap sa mga Khmer guys.
More and more, you know. In the Khmer, they divide to group. The old group, the new group. You know old group? Old group, the group that live countryside, they are the farmer, you know. They had everything, you know. They didn't just stay in the countryside.
So yun guys, pinapakita ko sa inyo guys, ito yung The Killing Field. So makikita nyo guys yung sobrang daming bungo. Nung kapanahonan ng Cambodia guys, grabe ang daming taong namatay. So yun guys, yung mga nakaukit na yun guys, yan yung inilalarawan nung kasaysayan na mga nangyari nung araw ng mga Khmer sa Cambodia guys. Grabe. Nakakagimbal pala yung mga naranasan nila guys.
Crazy. This kill the plus including the goat, you know. They kill the whole family, see? Just not fit baby. These are the beating, you know. They organize, you know. Yes, around 40 people, you know, 40 men. man, the organized man. If you don't favorite, you must to say yes. If you say no, maybe they kill you at night in first. But so you are set up, just okay. When the Khmer finish, a lot of family is separate. Even if in the hospital, without medicine, when you got the headache, your stomach, the same kind of the medicine. Yes, skinny everybody. waiting that, yes. When my father he got a diarrhea, yes. But he injection take the coconut juice injection on the belly, My father told me, after injection, his belly to swell up. Crazy doctor, crazy. Yeah. No coach, no analyze. No coach, no analyze. Everything we organize for us.
So ito guys, ito yung pinuntahan natin guys. At gusto ko talagang malaman yung historical about the killing field. So ito guys yung the killing field. Dito, papakita ko sa inyo guys. So yun guys, grabe. Malalaman natin about the history yung nangyari nung kapanahunan. Yung killing field guys kung tawagin. So yun guys, kung mapapansin nyo guys, dyan nila nilagay yung mga bungo na nakuha nila nung kapanahunan guys.
Second floor is. Can you go up second floor? One floor more.
Yan, pupuntahan natin guys. Yung mga nilagay ng mga bungo. So ito yung mga pinagsama-sama nila guys. So, actually first time ko lang makakita ng bungo. Sa Philippines naman meron, pero ngayon lang ako makakita ng malapitan guys. So ito yun. Ayan. So ayan guys, kung mapapansin nyo guys, yan yung mga bungo ng mga labi yung kapanahunan na nakuha nila guys. Ang killing field ay isang bilang ng mga lugar sa Cambodia kung saan sama-samang higit sa 1 milyong katao ang pinatay at inilibing ng Communist Party of Kampuchea sa panahon ng pamamahala ng Khmer Rouge sa bansa mula ng 1975 hanggang 1979 kaagad pagkatapos ng Cambodian Civil War. So in guys, yung sinabi sa amin ni Kuya na may makikita kami mga bungo, yung may mga crack sa mga ulo. Grabe, kung mapapansin nyo guys, ito yung mga bungo nung nangyari nung kapanahunan guys.
Over there, like they are dancing, they are happy, and they in the time
The bone is cracked. So, in guys. So, first time ko lang talaga makakita ng malapitan ng mga bungo. Ito. My God. I feel something parang ano lang. Kasi malapitan mo talaga makikita yung mga bungo. Guys. So, parang napakarami pala dito. Kumbaga, doon nila nilalagay lahat ng mga bungo. Pinagsasama-sama nila yung mga namatay. natin malapit sa mga bukid. Grabe. So tara guys, let's go. Pupunta tayo dun sa pagoda guys. So papakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga parang libingan guys. Ayan guys. So ayan guys, kung mapapansin nyo guys, yan yung cremation guys. Dito sa pagoda guys. So sa Khmer guys, ang ginagawa nila, kinikremate nila yung bangkay. So ito guys yung pag namatay yung na ililibing na, so ito yung ginagawa nila, kinikremate nila guys. Dito nila nilalagay, yan guys, nakikita nyo, dito nila nilalagay yung pinaka bangkay para i-cremate. Ang tawag nila rito is pagoda guys. So ito yung tinatawag nila, bawat family daw merong ganyan. So kung meron mang mamatay, ilalagay dito sa pagoda. Ito yung pinakaano nila, kumbaga sama-sama after ng cremation. Ayan guys, ayan, iba-ibang family, yun sinabi sa amin. So guys, makikita nyo, ayan, ang dami. So mas okay rin, right? Kasi diba sama-sama talaga sa isang family. So ayan, makikita nyo guys. So ayan, ganyan yung pagoda nila rito guys. Parang mataas. Sa Khmer, yan yung sa Khmer guys, sa Khmer. Tapos ito naman daw is sa Chinese. Ganito naman daw guys yung sa Chinese guys. Ganyan. Hindi siya totaling parang castle. So ganito yung style nila. Ayan. Sa Chinese to guys. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, ayan, parang katulad rin ng style nung sa atin, nililibing nila kasama yung sa kabao, pero hindi nila kinikremate, nililibing lang para ang dating sa kanila is babalik ulit yung pinaka-spirit, kumbaga hindi na maglalaho yung guys. So yun yung guys.
Doesn't have It's like rice. A bit sweet.
Mua đập đi nha.